Here I'm printing with the Creality under 3. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm printing RC inner bead locks. That's the inside of the wheel being printed now. Right here is the outer of the wheel. It's a 4-piece wheel. Like I said, it's for an RC rock crawler. Right here's the chassis. That's the center and the front. I still have to print the rear for it. There's some more centers, some filament for you. It's transparent purple I'm printing with. I kind of like it. Let me know in the comments what you think about the color.